guiding Miss Christina, the fantastic girl. We are in the Durjoynagar metro station.
First time Dubai ni metro kasih dong. So to Indian mang.
Bank of Baroda.
Rang rong na keng ke, kom.
From Tripura!
Hello, good morning. This is day 5. Past din ka. Day bin dong ko. Kena ke bir sinai. Tabuk breakfast na thangi dong ko. Tuna basana late thangka. Horo late ke thuma bagai. So, omong kani look. First day bahasa difference ya. Sakani sini no change in ka. Color matching kami yang tumani combination siyang. Let's go ahead with the. Tapi selesai. Omong ini breakfast. Soup rock, toki rock. Toki bang mani. Omo dokter. Sausage, fish, scotch, smashed potatoes, fruit rock. Saga na tabo. Di pakai batakannya borok nakanya jongo hotel ni. Masih lajak taxi bagai berlanya bagai. Chini taxi pakai. Ay Chini taxi sengai chok. Malsar mo Sikkim ni selana cuma naga deh.
We had a great time in Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah, I cannot understand. See you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Iko sini sar tongora sarji mo Pakistan ni mo 15 বছরন ঘর ভাইমানি বস হাওজে আর কোন ফন করি তমসে বুর্জ খলিফা করে কোন ফন করে বিন মকলে বুস কানো জতন ন তাং জাগো নে
Place yellow light.
Tabung sa
Don't go
itong
fast.
sini
Red light, more
sarji.
fast.
Je oro joto ni bagay niyom same.
Right.
Police, politician, joto ni bagay niya. Jese politician pa nang thon oro kuno alka ka niyom samjak kare
Because
kuno
here
special treatment
it's all
kajai
positive,
joto no
yes.
same.
New ideas.
Okay? Treat kajak.
Yeah.
Itna udas.
Even me after coming here,
No
I have
udas.
now like
Adi lama rogo kacha bo manai hasingsa chocolate buku. Kon pan sekere na tu na suka.
come also.
Our
restaurant Karama
or area. Zoto Indian mang sipo. Indian mang kama.
800, 900.
Wow.
800 sok Indian ni restaurant tong thai jongta.
Have this residential visa, no?
Petrol hinggang ke
Yeah, it is
1 liter
expensive, but
4
also
dirham.
love this place. I'll be back by January again.
Marshall, Marshall.
Indian mang sipo o
You
area.
want to see the local people, you go to the city outside, they're living there outside.
Oh.
Local people ang city ustong yapo.
The original
Pataras.
people from this UAE is living outskirts city, no?
Yeah.
Let's become ulta, man. It's like opposite.
Bank si Indian ni bank sipo.
Bank of Baroda.
Baroda is a place name.
Wila ogari kasi Indian ni sipo kay 5 pesos sa kang 3 pe po.
Wow.
Ang pre shake kasi or ni Dubai
All the
shake
Indian.
pa niya ka po. Malakya. Joy bye.
Alright, the fantastic girl.
Orogo. Rang rong na keng ke kom hai. Hai pa no. Multiply into 22 khai ke hai ka bang ma singo. ये क्या है? First time Dubai ni metro kana thangi tongo. Underground no. Oro rogo. Hip zagya side kasi kasi. Ella hasingsa pa no yan. Hasingsa ball sa pa no kala. Oro. Jotto kusu.
Sungla besar lah.
Animated. Same like India.
Actually, this is my first time.
India wakan wa khayo. Siksa.
The first time metro ko. Hay to sungit the Bangalore ro ka.
Bangalore, Kolkata,
Hi guys, this is my first time riding metro outside Dubai, along with our brother Joey, all the way from
Kiko
the
sini news reporter starting dulu ka. News reporter.
We have to get the card like this.
Hi, welcome
Scan
to
it.
Dubai. We are in the Durjoynagar metro station with these fantastic leaders, guys.
Wow, like ini Dubai ni metro first time ka sunay to mo. Tapos borok bang oro.
Now, we're going to from Suba Realty. We will ride tram. This is a small metro, and then we will go to Jumeirah and transfer going to Atlantis.
Simple like that, no?
Yeah.
Wow. Kasaka Metro King. Kiri.
First time experience, so I don't know.
All right, Miss Christina, what you can say? We're going.
First time Dubai ni metro kasi ito mo. Excited exact. Tagtang lanyay, pero lanyay. Sir Joey ke Philippines. Pangi belai ni branch ke kitong ila. Ang kahit sa asa ka tambay. Okay. Alo, tang mazap. Kitang lay sa Hilia. Sir no tang lay sa.
Yeah, so today, guys, we're guiding Miss Christina. I'm here, guys, with 3 young going through Singli, and our brother also Sinsha going to Dubai Frame and Atlantis. Her final wish before she went back to India, right?
Yes.
Cool.
المحطة القادمة هي
Sau quay kia sừng có là những tabuk thang này sớ Dubai Frame don't say kotor dunia ni frame ara thang này cái frame by cái frame ni cái sai dong gang cái old Dubai nugo thì cái sai dong gang cái new Dubai nugo cái hai bên sừng sa cái thang dia rang bisi kebang mang gang cái just photo simi bui kisah bui cái sa chini location tini ni ara thang này.
It's an amazing team, guys. So we're going to Dubai Frame and we'll explore something there. I'm here, guys, with 3 young from Tripura. Woo! All right, guys. So these 3 young chilling. You have Shingli, right? Miss Christina and Mr. Sisha. All right. They're enjoying this one, guys. They are near. Yeah. Yes. Dubai is limitless, guys.
Wow, asa ke photo puna kereng.
You're taller, bro.
Ma. Oh my god.
How did you click it, man?
Tabuk Dubai Pargo Phailajak. Dubai Pargo kisha habai. Sang Dubai Frame ni ku ganawo. Hi ko ara photo bujang nai. Rang rong mari nai jarang nai kisha.
All right, welcome to Zabeel Park, guys.
Sok pai kya tabuk Dubai Park bisingo. Okay, kisha tirok nulai nagana. Kaya himna sakang. Iko na je taun tui pai pai yo mo si 3 dirham mane 3 into 22 khaji. Besok 66 rupees. O chicken sia bottle se. Asakai dam mo tui basino. Kang ya khashma tong lai.
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up.
Wow, Dubai frame mas hok pai keseng, Ghana wo, tahu foto buzal lainnya ora, leng naik ya, asal ke naik thok kotor ma frame, aja, berarti kijan senam kabo, lenga, himang lo Ghana punya bagai, hasan di sini, sekemahin ta, Ghana tanang ke, ozaga sakat tanang ke nang mariwo, but our freezer just don't get down nice. Even that look good. Earth. Wow, now this is a perfect place. Perfect place, or wow, malanka, majestic. Dubai frame, yay!
Yeah, Krishna, we are here. The Swngchar and Joycer. Here's the frame, the world famous frame.
Tutun sa Ghana shop ay kya. Puro kay Mars na may tiyonggo. Ako boy. Ako Earth.
Here the photo shoot chalai jango. Photo shoot bol jagah na poribar kana. Dubai frame, yeah. And Dubai frame busuk kusuk, busuk floor kana jang gas kaine. Also sir, from Joy Philippines ne. So help wow, we are so grateful that we had this company. Dubai frame na the Japanese sir khai jango. Go.
Seng tabok Dubai ni frame of hijack. Jotun sai Swngchar ni jotun se kotor frame. Engka am ta hijack of hai bakharok tebu kotor dreams rok tebu kotor engka. Engka nai thong jaga nu go imang no tebu kotor ngani possibility khari mano.
Video so like jango. Ami bolong aja jango. Arabic cat. Arabic sangat Arabic jadi. Arabic wala.
Wallah. Bibi.
Baby, come to park. Fly.
Where is it gone?
What is there still?
Hide the plane.
There's a fly. There's fly, no?
Every second year, find one.
Eka siya kuyang ko. Hai si biro, ek minute si biro, naik gede. Tok hai ke si biro. Tok hai ke si biro, tok hai ke. Tok hai ke. Isu kora. Yeah.
Oh, next mine. Apa ni?
Park ibung kangke Zabeel Park. O park ibung kangke seng dasing thangmani. Ke seng tabok thangi phirogi dongha. Satong tungmani samprai khamprai ma thaka. Kolomani kisan kasang yaro.
It come from our place. Look, get confused.
Okay. Hindi si hepa ka spakyo card no. Metro station no sa kwajuka. Hataro sakai kolom tongmani kolomani. Tangkai kasang zuka. Di lumui pan thana chance tongo. Ke. Labo kai tem na thuzak thanai. Wait and watch.